आइए व्यूअर्स, आज हम आपको BZU के वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मंसूर अकबर कुंडी साहब से मिलवाते हैं, जो मॉर्निंग वॉक पर हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। हम आपको मॉर्निंग वॉक के हवाले से इनकी गुफ्तगू भी सुनवाते हैं।
लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट नेचर। नेचर is very important. They say man can both forgive and forget, but nature does neither. Nature takes its own revenge and rewards. Therefore, always respect and follow nature. If you wake up early in the morning, walk. It means you respect nature, like early praying, worship, whatever. Walk is good for health, and health is wealth. Without health, no life. Therefore, walk for health. Particularly in the morning. Morning walk is a blessing and very fruitful for heart and hypertensive people and love nature. Be always nature loving, people loving, love loving, content loving, greed and hatred hater. Be hatred hater. Enjoy. Today is the first day of the rest of your life, so try to enjoy it. And even if you cannot enjoy, don't go under depression. Don't waste it. Today is the first day of the rest of your life. Tomorrow never comes, and yesterday gone.